Okay, hello, how's everybody doing today? This is Scott with the IT department, and I wanted to create a quick training tutorial video on how to resolve the unverified toll-free number issue that's been happening with Google Ads lately. As most of you know, we've been running this real estate wholesale campaign successfully for over 5 years now. And recently Google has changed their algorithm around, not allowing the ads to approve. And some of you may have been getting a message in your Google Ads control panel saying unverified toll-free number. So what would happen, without getting too technical to explain it, the Google spiders would crawl and they would not recognize the toll-free number due to the site not allowing us to embed the toll-free number into the source code of the HTML pages. So we've come up with a solution by using a brand new website hosting company for the landing page that 100% absolutely does allow the toll-free number to get recognized when the Google spiders crawl. So this totally solves the issue. We are making it mandatory that everyone needs to subscribe to the website hosting, which is just 20 bucks a month, and that's going to allow you to have your own website. You're going to use that as your own landing page to generate these red hot leads from these motivated sellers that are going to be calling you to sell their distressed properties. So you can do that and get started by clicking the link in the blueprint email that we sent to you. And when you create the ads, or if you have us do it for you, we're going to insert the landing page URL into the website field, and Google will approve the ads usually within 1 to 2 hours, and you're off and running. But this is going to accomplish two things. The first thing is it's going to allow the ad to get approved so that you receive tons of calls every single day from these motivated sellers wanting to sell their distressed properties. They're going to be calling you from all over the US. And number two, it's going to generate red hot leads coming into your inbox when these sellers fill out these lead forms. Remember, the small investment that you're spending is really pennies in comparison to the commissions that you're earning. So I'm going to show you guys how to clone the proven template that we've been using for over 5 years now. And it's going to be extremely easy for you guys. This way you would simply have to change the toll-free number, change your company name on the landing page, and that's it. You'll be good to go. And these will be landing in your inbox. So I'm going to show you how to do that rather than you create a whole landing page from scratch. What we've done is we've come up with this method that I'm going to show you here in a minute that shows you how to quickly clone it, and you'll see what I mean once we create it. So let's get started. Also, you're going to receive a discount by clicking the link in the blueprint email, which is an agreement that we have directly with the website hosting company. So you'll see it up here. It's www.webstarts.com/AFF equals Hometown Buyers Club. So type it in just like that, or you could simply just click the link in the blueprint email and it'll bring you right here. So let's go ahead and hit enter, and you'll see it'll bring us to this page here. Okay, so we're going to create a brand new account. We're going to click get started. It's free. All right, and then that'll bring you right here. All right, so the first thing we want to do is we want to create the account. We'll click login, and you'll see right up here it says new to Webstarts. You want to click sign up. Again, it's just 20 bucks a month, really pennies in comparison to these huge commissions that you're going to be earning. So let's go ahead and do this first. You type in your name, the email address. So I made up an email just for this training called RE for Real Estate Investing 411@gmail, because remember, they're going to send you a confirmation link to verify your email address, so you have to do this in order for it to work. So keep that in mind. We're going to do that right now in a second. So you'll type in your password and click sign up. All right, so you can hit save, and right now we're going to go ahead and hit create new. So actually, before we do that, they should have sent you the link. There it is, to confirm your email and get started with Webstarts. Remember, you have to do this, otherwise it won't work. Very important to click the red button to confirm the email. And now you're all set. Now we can go back and it will work. So we're going to go ahead and hit create new site, and you'll see here start with template. All right, so you'll come to this page here, choose a design for your site. So again, rather than creating this whole thing from scratch and taking you days or sometimes weeks, depending on how tech savvy you are, we've simplified the whole thing. We're going to give you the proven template that's been working for years and years, and I'm going to show you how to just clone it and bring it right into your account. Pretty simple. So you go here, you just hover your mouse over the word select. You're going to right click. Make sure you don't left click. Make sure you right click where it says select, and you'll see here it says copy link address. All right, so we're going to click there to copy the link address. You'll open up another tab up here and we'll paste it right in. Now you'll notice the last 4 digits is 4637. Very important. We're going to delete those last 4 numbers and you're going to retype in 6987. Just like that. Now, if you have to watch this training video twice, go back and rewatch it to make sure you do this right. So again, you delete those 4 digits, you retype in 6987 and hit return. Okay, so now it brings you here. You want to choose a Webstart domain URL. You don't need to get another domain. You can if you want to, but it's really not necessary. You can use the webstarts.com domain name. So we would type in your company name right here. So for this example, for the email that we created was RE Investing. So I'm just going to keep it uniform. So we'll type in RE Investing 411. So again, you're going to type in your company name that you're going to create right there. Now, you don't have to incorporate a company or anything like that. It's just really to look professional on this landing page. So you could just make up a company name. Most people use their last name and then investing after it, or investment group, or anything really relating to real estate. But again, for this training, we're going to use RE Investing 411.webstarts.com. So we're going to click continue. All right, so here it's just showing you how to create the website from scratch, which we're not going to do because we've already done that for you. We're simply cloning it. And now you'll notice just magically the proven template again that I was talking about is right here for you. So we're going to go ahead and click edit site. And now we're going to change it to your company name and your email address. So this brings us here to the editor. You don't really need a tour because again, we've done all the hard part for you. All you have to do, really simple, is just change the company name and your phone number in a few different spots. So I'm going to show you how to do that. So let's say it was, again, RE Real Estate Investing is the name we made up. You don't want to use that same one. You want to make up your own company name. And then, of course, you're going to type in, whatever toll-free number that you have. So we'll just type in anything here just for the sake of this video. All right, so we got the company name and the phone number there. We'll scroll down. We're going to change it here as well. So there's just a few spots that we want to change it. You want to make sure to put the toll-free number in parentheses so it matches up with your Google Ads account. We'll explain that later in a future training video if you're setting up your own Google Ads account, or we can do it for you. If you need help, just let us know, and we can do a screen sharing through GoToMeeting or Zoom, where we log into your computer and move your mouse and get you all set up. So some people aren't so tech savvy. If you need help setting that up, just let us know. All right, and then again, we're going to change the company name, RE Investing, but again, you're going to type in your company name, your toll-free number. So let's scroll down, a few more spots here as well. And we're going to change that, RE Investing, and you'll type in your toll-free number. Again, very important to put the exchange, whether it's 800-888-877-866. Make sure you put it just like this in parentheses with the number just like that, 3 digits dash and then 4 digits after, because it has to match up in the Google Ads account when the spiders crawl, so it recognizes the toll-free number. Very important. All right, so let's scroll down. You'll see the sellers are able to type in their information, their name, email, phone number, their property address. They're going to select the reason why they're selling their home, whether it's financial issues, divorce, foreclosure, bankruptcy, probate, whatever the situation is. They'll check that off. So this gives you a little information when you call them back. They're going to type in how many bedrooms and baths they have, the square footage, repair amount, lowest asking price, etc. So again, these are really good questions and ammunition that you're going to have when you call them back. They'll check off how quickly they're looking to close and the best time for you to call them back with a free quote. And when you hit this drop down bar, it's not letting me do it now because I'm in the editor, but it will say 9 to 12, 12:30 to 4:30, or 5 to 9. So it'll give the seller a chance to pick one of those times for you to call them back, whichever is most convenient for them. So they'll check that off there. And then they're going to check how they heard about us, whether it's Google, Microsoft, Snapchat, or Facebook. So the last three places that you're going to change your company name is actually right here. So we're going to type in RE Investing again. And we're going to also type it in here, RE Investing. Again, this is where your company name goes in all these spots that we've went over. So now that we've got this typed in, so we're going to click the save button right here. Everybody see where my mouse is? It's on this little disc looking, that's the save button. So we're going to go ahead and hit save. And you could just say not now for that. And now you're all set. So now you actually have right here, everything is customized. Again, we've created this for you. You've actually cloned the landing page that's been working for many, many years. So this one works perfectly. All the verbiage is good. Everything, the pictures are nice. Everything works fine. It's just a one-page landing page to get the seller's information, and that's what you want to do. You want to generate a red-hot lead landing in your inbox. Usually you're going to get phone calls first and leads second. For the most part, 80–90% of the time, you're going to get the phone calls first. The people that fill these out are sometimes people are at work, maybe they can't talk, so they're going to fill out this lead form and check off the box, hey, call me tonight at between 5 and 9 in the evening when I get home from work. So that's what they're saying when they check that. Or maybe they're online at like 1 or 2 in the morning and they're going to check off, hey, call me tomorrow at 9 a.m. from 9 to 12:30. So again, they'll check off what time they want you to call them back. All right. So once you've got all that done, and again, you've changed it, your company name and toll-free number, and again, you click Save, which I've done. I just did it twice. Now you're going to go ahead and hit View Site. So when you click View Site, this is going to be your URL right up here. Now that's going to be the URL that you're going to use as your website. That's your landing page. So when it comes time to creating your Google Ads and Microsoft and Snapchat and Facebook accounts to generate these incoming calls, this is your website that you're going to use right up there. All right, guys, so this concludes the training video on how to create your own landing page. Again, if I was speaking fast, I do apologize. You want to go back and rewatch the training video again, but it's very, very simple. It'll save you days and maybe even weeks to try to figure this out on how to create this landing page on your own. We did all the heavy lifting, and the hard part's done. You just got to clone it, change the 4 digits as I went over in the URL, and just go through the steps that we've covered here in this training, and you'll be left with this beautiful looking landing page that, again, is going to generate these leads for you. And your URL will be right up here for you to use. All right, guys, if you need anything, if you have any questions, give us a call. We are definitely here to help you. All right, let's all have an extremely profitable day and an extremely profitable year. Thanks. We'll talk to you soon.